Air travel is one of the safest modes of transportation, yet air crashes, although rare, do occur and have complex causes that are typically the result of multiple factors. When they happen, they are often devastating, leading to extensive investigations by aviation authorities to identify the cause and prevent future incidents. Major causes of air crashes can generally be grouped into several categories: human error, mechanical failure, weather conditions, bird strikes, and sabotage. Each of these elements plays a significant role in understanding the risks associated with flying and the precautions taken by the aviation industry.
Human error is one of the leading causes of air crashes, accounting for a substantial percentage of incidents. This category includes mistakes by pilots, air traffic controllers, and even maintenance personnel. Pilots may misinterpret instructions, fail to respond correctly to critical situations, or make incorrect decisions under pressure. Fatigue, inadequate training, and poor communication can all contribute to errors during flight. For example, if a pilot miscalculates fuel needs or improperly reads instrument data, it can lead to significant consequences. Air traffic controllers who direct planes on the ground and during flight may also make mistakes, such as directing aircraft too close to each other, resulting in mid-air collisions.
Despite rigorous maintenance standards and inspections, mechanical failures are another common cause of air crashes. Aircraft are complex machines with thousands of parts, and even a minor defect or failure in one of these parts can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Mechanical issues may include engine failure, hydraulic system problems, or issues with the landing gear. For instance, engine malfunctions due to fuel contamination or metal fatigue can lead to a sudden loss of power. While many mechanical problems can be detected and corrected during regular maintenance, some issues, such as undetected wear and tear or manufacturing defects, can go unnoticed until they cause a problem mid-flight.
Adverse weather conditions are also a significant factor in air crashes, particularly for smaller aircraft or flights taking off or landing during storms.
Weather-related issues include turbulence, thunderstorms, lightning, high winds, icing, and reduced visibility.
Poor weather can impair a pilot's ability to control the aircraft, especially if they lose visual reference.
One of the most dangerous weather conditions for aircraft is icing, where ice accumulates on the wings, increasing weight and decreasing lift, making it difficult to maintain altitude.
Similarly, strong crosswinds during landing or takeoff can destabilize an aircraft, making it harder to maneuver.
While modern aircraft are equipped with weather radar systems, unpredictable and rapidly changing weather patterns still present challenges.
Bird strikes are another cause of air crashes, particularly during takeoff and landing when planes are at lower altitudes.
When birds collide with an aircraft, especially if they are sucked into an engine, the impact can cause serious mechanical damage.
In 2009, US Airways Flight 1549 famously struck a flock of geese shortly after takeoff, causing engine failure and forcing the pilot to make an emergency landing on the Hudson River.
Bird strikes are difficult to predict, and while airports employ various strategies to deter birds, such as using loud sounds or bird-repellent chemicals, these measures are not always foolproof.
Although much less common, sabotage and terrorism have also been causes of air crashes.
Acts of terrorism, including bombings and hijackings, can result in catastrophic loss of life and aircraft.
High-profile incidents, such as the bombing of Pan Am Flight 103 over Lockerbie, Scotland in 1988, and the September 11 attacks, highlight the devastating impact of intentional acts on air travel safety.
To counter these threats, airports and airlines implement strict security protocols, including screening passengers, luggage, and cargo for explosives or prohibited items.
Despite these measures, sabotage and terrorism remain a potential risk, making vigilance and security innovations crucial to preventing such incidents. Air crashes are rare and often the result of multiple contributing factors rather than a single cause. Human error, mechanical failure, weather conditions, bird strikes, and acts of sabotage are some of the major causes identified through years of aviation investigation and analysis. While the industry continually strives to improve safety measures, each of these factors presents unique challenges that require advanced technology, rigorous training, and strict protocols to mitigate. Understanding these causes helps improve aircraft design, enhance training programs, and develop new safety regulations, all of which contribute to making air travel safer for everyone. The lessons learned from past air crashes continue to shape the future of aviation, making it one of the safest forms of transportation today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, safe travels.